To link Zelle to Chime, start by opening the Chime application on your mobile device and signing into your account. Navigate to the Settings or Transfer section to access the linking option. You will then be prompted to enter your Chime account information to confirm your identity and verify your account ownership through a verification code sent to your email, after which you will receive a confirmation message. Alternatively, you can link Chime to Zelle through the Zelle app by launching the application, logging in with your phone number, and agreeing to the privacy and security terms when prompted to enter your bank. Type Chime and tap on the "Don't see your bank" icon. Then provide your email address to receive a code. Enter the code, and then type in your Chime debit card information and billing address. Tap Continue to finish the linking process. By following these steps, you can successfully add Zelle to Chime.